Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about Collection Runner UI new updates. These updates got introduced from version 2.9.0 onwards. So make sure you are having a Bruno version of 2.9.0 at least. So these are the two new updates which got introduced in the Collection Runner UI from version 2.9.0 onwards. The first one is there is an option to select or deselect individual requests. These were not possible in the earlier versions of Bruno. The second one is there is option to reorder requests via a drag and drop interface to define custom execution flows. So I will be showing these two features in a couple of seconds. So I have already opened Bruno. For the demo, I will be using the request collection. So these are the number of requests that is already there in this particular collection. Now I am going to run the complete collection using the collection runner. Click on these three dots. There is a run option. Then you have to select the configure request to run radio button. On clicking that button, you can see a separate section getting open here. So if you want to run the complete request in the collection, you can select all option. If you want to deselect, there is an option as well, and there is also an option to reset as well. So if you want to pick only few requests from this collection, you can do that as well. I am selecting one post, get, put, patch and delete. So based on the selected request, the count will update. Here you can see actually we are having 12 requests in this collection, but we are only selected 5. So that count is getting updated here. If you select one more, based on that the count will get increased here. So I am selecting one more get request. Based on the count got increased. Now I am going to run the selected ones. So the total 6 requested which were selected got executed. So if you click on the run again, this will follow the same process again. So if you want to choose any other request from the collection, you have to reset the collection runner again. After that again you have to choose the configure request to run option. Then if you want to run the complete collection, you can select all option. I will show that as well. The complete request in the collection got executed. Now I am resetting the collection runner again. I am clicking on the configure request to run option. Now the second feature is the option to change the order of the request in this collection. So if you change the order here, it will not affect the order in which the request is ordered in the collection. So there is an option to drag and drop any request. So I am going to change the order of the request timeline from bottom to top. So I am dragging this particular request and dropping our create user. You can see the timeline request got moved to the top of the collection runner. Now I am selecting all the requests again and I am running the collection runner. You can see that this time the timeline request got executed first. So these are the two new features got introduced in Bruno from version 2.9.0 onwards. So this is very helpful while using the collection runner from UI. So make sure you are using a version of 2.9.0 at least. At the time of recording this particular session, I am using the version 2.10.0. So I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.